Okay, thank you very much for this opportunity. I want to say I'm honored when I got the information. I'm greatly delighted and it's a privilege. Okay, I want to say I've used FamiSafe for close to a year now. I registered before, a year ago, and started using it after a few months when I registered. My impression about the app is that it's a very useful one, and the app helps me track information about my daughter. It also helps me know the kind of activities she's engaged in, which gives me idea of the conversation to always interact with her whenever she's around. I'm at home or I come back from work. Okay, I use two major features of FamiSafe. One of them is the activity log, which helps me know the kind of activity my daughter is engaging. And then the second one is the web filter, which helps me track the kind of information she gets online. Those are the two major features I use in FamiSafe, and this has helped me a lot to know my kids' activities. Thank you. Okay, for parents who would like to monitor their kids' daily activities on internet, I will first of all refer FamiSafe for them. I know there are other apps, but FamiSafe is one of the best tracking apps for your children. And then with that, you can be able to know and regulate all the activities of your children. Like for me, that has helped me a lot know what my child does on the internet, and it also helped me to know that my child is really headed towards the direction I want her to go. Thank you. Okay, to me there's no much suggestion for Wondershare for now. I think I would like to also recommend that to my friends who are willing to track their children's activities online. Thank you very much, Wondershare, and I'm grateful.